Hello everyone. Welcome to Movie Podcast in Slow English. My name is Emma, and today we have a very special story. Today we talk about the movie Castaway. Castaway is from the year 2000. It is an American movie. The director is Robert Zemeckis. He also made the movie Forrest Gump. The main character is Chuck Noland. Tom Hanks plays Chuck Noland. Tom Hanks is a very famous American actor. He is excellent in this film. The other important character is Kelly. Helen Hunt plays Kelly. Kelly is Chuck's girlfriend. He loves Chuck very much. This movie is about survival. Survival means staying alive in a very difficult situation. It is also about hope. Hope means you believe something good will happen. And it is about loneliness. Loneliness is the feeling when you are alone. Very, very alone. Are you ready? Let's start the story. Our story starts in Memphis, Tennessee. This is a city in the United States. Chuck Noland works for FedEx. FedEx is a delivery company. A delivery company takes packages from one place to another place, like a letter or a box. Chuck is very busy. He works all the time. He travels to many countries. He goes to Russia. He goes to Asia. He always has his watch. His girlfriend Kelly gave him the watch. The watch is very special to Chuck. It shows the time. But it also shows his love for Kelly. Chuck and Kelly are in love. They want to get married soon. On Christmas Day, Chuck gets a phone call. He must go on a trip. For work. Kelly is not happy. It is Christmas. But Chuck must go. Kelly drives Chuck to the airport. They say goodbye. They kiss. Kelly gives Chuck her watch. The special watch. As a present. Chuck gets on the FedEx plane. He sits down. He looks out the window. He thinks about Kelly. He smiles. Then something terrible happens. The plane goes into a big storm. The storm is very strong. There is a lot of wind. There is rain. The plane shakes. Then the plane crashes into the ocean. Chuck wakes up in the water. It is night. Everything is dark. The plane is gone. The other people on the plane are gone. Chuck is alone. He is in the ocean. He is very scared. He swims. And he swims. And he swims. Finally, he finds a small island. He gets onto the beach. He is safe. But he is completely alone. The island is beautiful. There are trees. There is a beach. There is the ocean. But there is no food from a shop. There is no house. There is no telephone. Chuck must survive. He must find food. He must find water. He must stay alive. First, it is very hard. Chuck does not know how to live on an island. He tries to open a coconut. A coconut is a fruit. It has water inside. It is very difficult. But finally he opens it. He drinks the water. He is so happy. It is a very small thing. But for Chuck it is a big victory. Chuck also finds some FedEx packages on the beach. They fell from the plane. He opens most of them. He uses the things inside to survive. But there is one package he does not open. It has wings painted on it. Chuck keeps this package safe. He thinks it is special. Gives him hope. One day, Chuck finds a volleyball in a package. A volleyball is a round, white ball. Chuck tries to make fire. He hits his hand. His hand starts to bleed. In his pain and anger, he picks up the volleyball. He throws it against a tree. The ball hits the tree. Chuck's blood makes a face on the ball. Chuck looks at the face, and he gives the ball a name. Wilson becomes Chuck's friend, his only friend. Chuck talks to Wilson every day. He tells Wilson his problems, his fears, his memories. Sounds strange, but it is very important for Chuck. Talking to Wilson keeps Chuck from going crazy, keeps him human. Months pass, then years pass. Chuck is on the island for 4 years. He learns to catch fish. He learns to make fire. He becomes stronger. His body changes. His hair is very long. His beard is very long. He looks wild. But inside he never gives up. He always thinks of Kelly. He draws Kelly's face on a wall of stone. He looks at her face every day. One day, Chuck finds a piece of metal on the beach. It is big and flat. He has an idea. He will build a raft. A raft is a flat boat. Simple but useful. Takes a long time. But Chuck builds the raft. He puts Wilson on the raft. And then he sails into the ocean. It is very dangerous. The waves are big. The ocean is enormous. Chuck rows and rows for many days. Then one terrible night there is a big storm. The waves hit the raft. Wilson falls into the water. Chuck tries to reach Wilson. He puts out his hand. But the waves push Wilson away. Wilson floats away into the dark ocean. Chuck cries. He shouts, "Wilson! Wilson! I am sorry, Wilson." This is one of the saddest moments in the movie. Chuck loses his only friend. But Chuck does not stop. He continues sailing. Finally, a big ship finds him. The people on the ship save him. He is rescued. Chuck goes back to the United States. He is very thin. And he is very tired. Everything has changed. 4 years is a long time. His family thought he was dead. His friends thought he was dead. They are very happy to see him. And very surprised. But then Chuck learns something very painful. Kelly thinks he is dead. So Kelly got married to another man. They have a small daughter together. Chuck goes to Kelly's house. They talk. Kelly still loves Chuck. Chuck still loves Kelly. They hug. They cry together. But Kelly cannot leave her husband. She cannot leave her daughter. He has a new life now. And Chuck understands. It is very sad. But he understands. Before he leaves, Chuck gives Kelly something. The special package. With the wings. He kept it safe for 4 years. He never opened it. He gives it to her now. At the end of the movie, Chuck is standing at a crossroads. A crossroads is a place where 4 roads meet. You must choose a direction. Chuck looks at the roads. He's thinking. Where will he go now? His old life is gone. What is his future? A woman drives past in a truck. She stops. She's very friendly. She gives Chuck directions. Then she drives away. Chuck looks at the road she went on. He smiles. And the movie ends. I think the movie tells us this. You must keep going. Even when everything is difficult. Even when you are alone. Never stop. Chuck loses his girlfriend. He loses his friend Wilson. He loses 4 years of his life. But he never gives up. He always keeps hope. And in the end he survives. This is a beautiful and important lesson for all of us. That is the story of Castaway. It is a very powerful movie. And Tom Hanks is incredible. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you liked this episode, please share it with a friend who is learning English. And remember, learning English is like surviving on an island. Sometimes it is hard, but if you keep going, you will succeed. Thank you very much for listening. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.